2. Hey everyone, and welcome back to the channel. Today, we're re-diving deep into the fascinating world of one of Australia's most unique and often misunderstood marsupials. No, it's not a kangaroo or a koala. We're talking about the incredible Bandicoot. You might know the name from a certain video game, but the real animal is way more interesting. Get ready, because we're about to uncover 10 amazing facts that will completely change how you see these little critters. Let's get started. First up, let's clear up a common misconception. Bandicoots might look a bit like rodents, with their long snouts and compact bodies, but they're not related to rats or mice at all. They are marsupials, which means they're in the same family as kangaroos, wallabies, and koalas. Like their famous cousins, female bandicoots have a pouch to carry their young. However, a bandicoot's pouch is a little different. It opens backward, towards their rear. This is a brilliant evolutionary design, since they spend so much time digging for food with their front paws. A backward-facing pouch prevents dirt from flying in and covering their tiny, developing joeys. It's a simple, yet genius adaptation for a life spent digging in the dirt. Speaking of digging, that brings us to our second fact. Bandicoots are master excavators. They are primarily nocturnal, which means they come out at night to forage for food, chews. Using their strong front claws and that signature long, sensitive snout, they dig conical pits in the ground searching for their favorite meals. What are they looking for? They're omnivores with a varied diet. They absolutely love munching on insects, larvae, spiders, and earthworms. But they also enjoy plant roots, tubers, and fungi. This digging behavior makes them ecosystem engineers. By turning over the soil, they help with nutrient cycling and improve soil health, which benefits the entire ecosystem. So, if you see little cone-shaped holes in your lawn, you might have a helpful bandicoot neighbor. Now for fact number 3, and it's a truly astonishing one. Bandicoots have one of the shortest gestation periods of any mammal on Earth. Are you ready for this? It's only about 12.5 days. That's less than 2 weeks from conception to birth. Because of this incredibly short pregnancy, the babies or joeys are born extremely underdeveloped. They are tiny, about the size of a jelly bean, and immediately crawl into their mother's pouch to continue their development. They'll stay latched onto a teat inside the pouch for several weeks, growing and maturing in that safe, warm environment until they're ready to face the world. This super-fast reproductive cycle is a key survival strategy. This leads us right into fact number 4. They are incredibly prolific breeders. Thanks to that short gestation period, a female bandicoot can have multiple litters in a single year, depending on the species and environmental conditions. She can give birth to up to 4 litters annually. Each litter typically consists of 2 to 4 joeys. This rapid reproduction allows their populations to bounce back quickly after events like bushfires or droughts, provided they have enough food and shelter. It's a live, fast, breed young strategy that has helped them survive in the often harsh and unpredictable Australian landscape. Stark contrast to many other marsupials, like koalas, which reproduce much more slowly. Let's move on to fact number 5. There isn't just one type of bandicoot. The name bandicoot actually refers to a whole group of about 20 different species found across Australia, New Guinea, and nearby islands. They come in various shapes and sizes. You have the long-nosed bandicoots, known for their exceptionally pointy snouts. Then there are the short-nosed bandicoots, like the southern brown bandicoot, which are a bit stocky. There are even the adorable bilbies, which are often called rabbit bandicoots because of their long, silky ears. Sadly, some species, like the pig-footed bandicoot, have gone extinct, highlighting the importance of conservation efforts for the remaining species. For our 6th fact, let's talk about their unique anatomy. Bandicoots have a very special feature on their hind feet called syndactyly. This is a fancy word meaning that the second and third toes are fused together. They aren't completely fused, though. They are joined by skin but have separate claws. This fused toe acts like a grooming comb. Bandicoots use these specialized claws to comb through their fur, keeping it clean and free of parasites. It's a built-in grooming tool that's essential for their hygiene and health. It's another one of those small but brilliant evolutionary quirks that make them so special. Fact number 7 might surprise you. Bandicoots are generally solitary animals. Unlike kangaroos that live in mobs or groups, bandicoots prefer a life of solitude. They establish and defend their own home ranges, coming together only briefly for mating. They communicate their presence to other bandicoots through scent marking, using glands on their ears, mouth, and chest. This solitary nature means they have to be completely self-sufficient from a young age. Once a young bandicoot leaves its mother's care, it's on its own to find food, create a nest, and avoid predators. They are tough, independent little survivors. Now for Fact 8. While they might seem cute and cuddly, they can be surprisingly fierce when they need to be. When two bandicoots meet, especially two males competing for territory or a mate, things can get noisy. They'll chase each other, letting out sharp, high-pitched squeaks and grunts. They might even get into physical altercations, jumping, kicking, and scratching with those powerful hind legs and sharp claws. While they prefer to flee from larger predators, they will defend themselves vigorously if cornered. It's a reminder that even small animals have a tough side. Coming in at number 9, let's talk about their nests. Where do bandicoots sleep during the day? They don't dig burrows like rabbits. Instead, they build well-hidden nests on the surface of the ground. They gather a heap of leaf litter, grass, and other plant debris, and then burrow into the middle of it. These nests provide excellent camouflage from predators like owls, foxes, and domestic cats, and also insulate them from the heat of the day. The nests are often located in dense vegetation, under shrubs, or among fallen logs, making them very difficult to spot. Finally, our 10th fact is a crucial one. Many bandicoot species are under threat. Habitat loss due to urban development and agriculture is the biggest problem they face. Their homes are being fragmented and destroyed, leaving them with nowhere to live and find food. On top of that, they face immense pressure from introduced predators, particularly feral and domestic cats and red foxes, which they are not well equipped to evade. Conservation programs are in place, planting native vegetation to create wildlife corridors and managing predator populations. You can help by keeping your pets contained at night and creating a bandicoot-friendly backyard with dense native plants. These actions can make a huge difference for your local bandicoot population. So there you have it. 10 incredible facts about the amazing bandicoot. They are so much more than just a video game character. They are master diggers, super fast breeders, and vital ecosystem engineers with some truly unique adaptations. The next time you see one of those conical holes in the ground, you'll know it was made by a fascinating little marsupial, working hard to keep the environment healthy. Thank you so much for joining me today. I hope you learned something new and have a newfound appreciation for these wonderful animals. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe to the channel for more wildlife deep dives. Let me know in the comments which facts surprised you the most. See you in the next one.